Yes. Our next topic is divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. Rule of 4. A number ends with 00. A number, if the last two-digit number, if the last two-digit number is 00 and divisible by 4, and divisible by 4. If the last two-digit number is 00 and divisible by 4, the whole number. The last two-digit number is 00 and divisible by 4. The whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 4, 2, 6, 5, 2, 4. The last two-digit number is 24, and 24 is divisible by 4. So the whole number 4,26,524 is completely divisible by 4. Okay. The last two-digit number, that is 24 is divisible by 4. So the whole number 4,26,524 is divisible by 4. Is a divisible by 4. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next example is
Chess product
4,2,6,500. 4,2,6,500 is divisible by 4,2,6,500 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4 because why? Because the last two-digit number is 00. Do it fast.
chess product
Do it fast.
down
Divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5.
Yes.
A number is divisible by 5 if the last If the unit digit is 0 and 5, if the unit digit of the number, if the unit digit of the number is 0 and 5, if the unit digit of the number is 0 and 5, that number is divisible by 5. If the unit digit of the number is 0 and 5, that number is divisible by 5. For examples, first, for examples, this number is divisible by 5. 4, 2, 6, 5, 7, 2, 5 is divisible by 5 because the unit digit is 5. Okay, second examples, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 0. 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 0 is divisible by 5 because the unit digit of the number is 0, because the unit digit of the number is 0. Divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. अगर कोई भी नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है, that number is divisible by 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6 also. That number is divisible by 6 also. Okay, for example, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, this number is divided by 2 because last digit is 6. Now sum of digits 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 6 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 6 24. Okay, 23,676 is divisible by 2. Why? 23,676 is divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit digit is 6.
Yes, sir.
And sum of digits 23,676 is divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 6. Okay, now sum of digits 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 6 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 6 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So 23,676 is divisible by 3. So अब this number divisible by 2 as well as 3. ये नंबर क्या है, 2 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है और 3 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके, so given number 23,676 is divisible by 6 also. Is divisible by 6 also. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Okay. If any number is given to you, okay, 747, 749 is a number. For example, okay, if we multiply the unit digit, here unit digit क्या है आपके पास 9. Multiply the unit digit by 2. Multiplied the unit digit by 2. 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18. Now remaining number is remaining number is 74. Unit digit is 9. Now we'll subtract remaining numbers, okay, from 74. Remaining number. Remaining number is number is how much? 74 minus 18. Difference is
56.
74 minus 18. Now 56 is divided by 7 or not?
Yes, sir. 7 8 of 56.
And remainder is 0. Now if remainder is 0, then whole number, that is 749, is completely divisible by 7. First of all, we will multiply the unit digit by 2. Okay, here unit digit is 9, multiplied the unit digit by 2. 9 to the 18, and remaining number, that is 74. Now we will subtract the 18 from the remaining number, that is 74 minus 18, that is 56. Now 56 divided by 7, 7 is 56. Remainder is 0. This is the remainder. If remainder is 0, then complete number, that is 749. So 749, whole number 749. 749 is complete divisible by 7. Complete divisible by 7. If the last 3-digit number is 000, if the last 3-digit number is 000, if the last 3-digit number is 000 and divisible by 8. The last 3-digit number is a 000 and divided by 8. Then whole number. Is divisible by 8. For examples, 2, 9, 7, 5, 8, 1, 6. Here last 3-digit number is 816. Last 3-digit number is 816. The last 3-digit number. Number is 816. 816 is divisible by 8. 816 is divisible by 8. 8 बन जा 8, 0, 8 2 जा 16. Last 3-digit number is divisible by 8. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Then if
Yes,
last
because remainder is 0.
if last 3-digit number is divisible by 8, then whole number. Whole number. 816 is complete. Is complete divisible by 8. Is complete divisible by 8. Is completely divisible by 8.